If you've seen my previous video where I've whitened my beard using a bleach kit, this is essentially going to be part 2 where I dye it white using essentially a dye kit. So let's go ahead and get things started. So first of all, I want to show you that this kit here has instructions with it on the top, and this is basically another in the Manic Panic line. Okay, so real quick, I peeled it off, and it's basically a set of instructions in these 4 little sheets here, and they're actually too small to read, but there are some instructions on the side here which are slightly larger, and essentially you can use some of this or all of this, put it into another container like a bowl, mix it up. And I'm going to use this applicator here from a Just for Men kit, but ideally if you have the whitening kit, the bleach, you can reuse that brush with this product here. So basically the instructions say to open this up, pour out what you need, and then use an applicator like this one to essentially apply it to the beard. So it's pretty straightforward. So this is what it looks like right here. It's essentially all the same color. I'm going to stir it a tiny bit. I'm just going to apply it straight out of here onto my beard. So here I am applying it again. So just like last time, I'm applying it from my ears moving forward towards my mouth. And the reason I do this is the darker part of my beard is further back towards my ears, whereas around my mouth, particularly under it, due to the way that human breathing works, the lightest part of any beard is typically just under the mouth, because as most people breathe out, they basically breathe out a lot of moisture and, believe it or not, some body fat, but that essentially whitens the beard. So if you ever notice anyone's beard whitening, it's usually just under the mouth. So what I try to do here is apply it to my mustache and my beard after I apply it towards the sides of my face. And this allows me to get the darker parts treated sooner and allows them to whiten more over time. And this turned out to be fairly easy to do, applying it directly from the bottle, and I would recommend this course of action for anyone in the future that wants to try to lighten their beard or dye it in some manner. Start from the back, move towards the front, and use this bottle here. Now the instructions say to leave this on for about 30 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do. And then once I am done with that, I'm going to wash this in the tub, and then I'm going to see how this has turned out. Okay, it's been a half hour. This is actually hardened just a little bit. The instructions say you're welcome to actually try to heat it up, but keep in mind the instructions also assume you're putting it on your head, not your beard. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and wash all this off. Okay, here you have it. My hair basically has been dyed white, and that's after using a bleaching process. And I have to say it's pretty decent. It does make the hair look a little bit thicker, and there's less brown and gray. It's mostly one contiguous color, and I'm a little bit more happy than this than the bleach alone. So if your beard is relatively light in the first place, maybe either blonde or gray, you may not need to bleach it beforehand, but certainly if it's darker than that, I would recommend using the bleach. But anyways, that's going to do it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.